Welcome to this demonstration video by Silverhawk Solutions. In this video, we'll cover automating 100% of your milling machine programming. We'll start with a fresh CAM session, and then we'll launch the custom application that will drive the manufacturing process. First, we will select the geometry to be machined, in this case, a solid model. Similar results can also be achieved with wireframe geometry. The native solid model is loaded but not translated. As you can see, this is a true 3D model. The dialog shown can be customized to fit the customer's requirements. Your material can be added in order to drive the tool selection, including your own proven speeds and feeds, as well as additional options. Please note that the dynamic options based on the machine type for this session have been selected. We will focus on a 3-axis mill. However, almost any machine configuration and process can be incorporated into the system. Next, things are going to happen fast. The stock is defined by the part, then loaded into the vise and placed in the machine. As you can see, the tool paths are being added. It's already finished. Yes, it's that fast. Note the system clock to verify that there are no video tricks. Once the tool path is created for the part, a simulation can be reviewed as if it was on the machine. A true machine simulation can be achieved with machine kinematics. And as this is simulating, let's review the process. The part was loaded into the CAM system, and the required stock was defined and placed around the part. As an option, you may choose to define the stock with a simple interface allowing more interaction. This process is up to your own preference that will work for you. Adding the vise, the machine can also have a user interface if needed. Next, the tools were selected by decisions based on the machinable features of the part. The tools were applied in a preset order defined by the process. Some customers have multiple processes and can apply them to the part dynamically. The speeds, feeds, and depth of cut or other details are driven by your proven process. A video simulation can be output with the setup sheets as well as process drawings to aid the operator in setup and production. Next, the NC code is generated, in this case to a generic post. In a production system, the code is 100% clean and is ready to send to the machine. Let's run through a few more parts. We'll go through the process as it would be done on true production. There's no magic here or video tricks. It's a logical application of tools and process adapting to the changing part geometry. The benefits are obvious. Consistency of processing and standards are now driven by logic. This results in lower setup times with proven speeds and feeds, resulting in lower cycle times as well. Remember, you will liberate time from one of your most valuable assets, your programmers, allowing them to focus on the less repetitive tasks. This was an example of a 100% automated milling solution and using the standard out-of-the-box machining processes. A 100% solution may not be what you're looking for, but maybe a 10%, 40%, or even a 75% may work for you. Even a little automation can pay off in a big way, and we have a lot of clients that are using a 100% machining solution. So far, the parts are very similar, but the parts have required different tools and adapted the tool paths accordingly. The system can be configured for a very specific family of parts, but it isn't required. The next part is vastly different, and the system adapts to the new part, defining the stock according to the system parameters. It then picks the correct vise and places it on the machine. The tools and tool path are processed just as they were previously. It is now completely programmed and ready for the floor. In addition, a turning demonstration video is also available for review, showing the same application in a turn environment. Please contact us to discuss how Silverhawk Solutions could work for you. We appreciate your time.